It's one thing to watch a beautiful bridge hanging in the sky from afar, but another to actually be on that bridge trying to cross across. Look down and you see a steep valley, a frozen lake, or even worse, nothing. We don't intend on making you dizzy, but these 10 bridges in the world sure will. The Langkawi Sky Bridge can be reached by first taking the Langkawi cable car to the top station, where an inclined lift called Sky Glide takes visitors from the top station to the bridge. The whole structure is made of stainless steel and it has sections of glass walkway in the middle span for visitors to look down the valley from where they stand, and the view can easily get you dizzy. This bridge is believed to be the world's longest and tallest glass pedestrian bridge. Glass panels are set into its walkway that will give you major vertigo-inducing views and photo opportunities of the canyon below. The bridge is designed to be as invisible as possible, and it could almost feel like walking in thin air. Would you have it in you to look down while crossing this one? The Royal George Bridge held the title of the highest bridge in the world for over 7 decades and continues to dazzle visitors from all over the world. Today it offers a number of experiences like zip rider, a sky coaster and a gondola ride. Fans of extreme entertainment are attached mainly by the height of the bridge and its relative resistance to gusts of wind. Ghasa is a highly dangerous bridge situated in the Gus village in Nepal. Despite its fragile nature, not only humans but also cattle cross it in a large number daily. The narrow bridge is extremely unstable to wind gusts occurring regularly in this area. Passing through the bridge has become a familiar event for locals, but not all travelers would be courageous enough. Drift suspension is world's longest and highest pedestrian suspension bridge. Built over the Drift Glacier, it gives spectacular views but sways crazily in the wind. This one is not for the faint-hearted. Initially, one of the major problems of the bridge was its huge mobility, as it was swinging at strong winds, making passage through the bridge a deadly event. This dangerous feature of the bridge has preserved till date despite the additional strengthening. Located in the immediate vicinity of Vancouver, the Capilano Suspension Bridge is considered not only extreme but also one of the most attractive bridges on the planet. The structure is safe and can withstand the weight of 96 elephants. However, despite this guarantee of security, getting over the bridge still requires a brave heart. Even a few seconds on the bridge can trigger an attack of vertigo and panic among people who have fear of heights. The Eshima-Ohashi Bridge is the largest rigid-frame bridge in Japan and the third largest in the world. But that's not what makes it so spectacular. This bridge has an incredibly steep incline on both sides, making it appear more like a theme park ride than a way to commute across the river. The architects who designed the bridge decided to make it tall enough for ships to easily pass underneath. Would you step on the accelerator while driving down this one? The Kakam Canopy Walk allows hikers to experience a portion of the jungle usually reserved for climbers and flyers. The canopy walkway consists of 7 separate bridges that hang from the trees over 130 feet above the ground. Across the walkway, the bridges look as though they are constructed like a traditional rope bridge made from materials of the forest. However, the sturdy spans are made of wire, rope, aluminium and wooden planks. Sway with the wind as you cross and take the stunning views along the Causeway coastal route, best known as an outstanding area of natural beauty in Northern Ireland. And by sway in the wind, we mean while you cross this beautiful yet scary bridge. Suspended almost 30 meters above sea level, the rope bridge was first erected by salmon fishermen nearly 300 years ago. Brave it by crossing across. across snow and river is tough enough, but imagine having to walk across a wobbly bridge along the way. Meet the Kwandiski Bridge that has absolutely no railing or other safety features to keep cars or people from falling into the frozen waters. Its decaying metallic structure has not been well maintained, but rather simply covered with old wooden railway sleepers that become slippery when frozen over with ice or snow. Only a handful of people have ever crossed this bridge and survived. Well, rope and suspension bridges remain to be one of the most dangerous ones, and even the appearance is enough to make blood cold. Let us know in the comments if you dare to cross any of these and tag a friend who has fear of heights.